Hello everyone, it's Adam here. Someone asked me about levers. So I posted a video with some very cheap Amazon levers, like $24 for two of them. And well, they were too long on the clutch side. And I decided just to go ahead and spend the money and get the nice ones that I wanted to all along. The questions have come in the form of installation and parts. Let's actually talk about the, because once you, and the reason for this is because once you remove the OEM handguards that are held on around here, there's no place to mount the bolts. And I wanted to share what I've been telling most people, which the first thing is the brake side. So on the brake side, there's actually there's a bag, I don't have it with me right now, there's a bag that comes with your 701 Enduro. And that bag has in it a couple of hand grips, as well as your passenger foot peg kit also comes in it. And then just a bunch of random miscellaneous bolts. And one of those bolts is going to be needed for the for reinstalling the brake lever after you remove this handguard piece right here. And so that bolt is, well, I'm not using it anymore because ASV comes with this. If you buy from ASV, they actually will give you all the hardware you're going to need to install, but you will need to grab some stuff. They also give you a, I guess you can't see it here, but they give you a new push rod too to go in here to replace the OEM. But so that comes in that bag. And on the clutch side, ASV gave me, I think, nothing on the clutch side. I just used the bolt that came in the bag here. So here's how it looks. And then on the bottom, make sure you guys can see it okay. So there's the bottom. So I'm just trying to help someone here who is maybe stuck on this process. What I will say maybe is better advice is possibly, and I'll link to this video in the other video. I think what is probably best advice would be that if you're going to do this, do it right the first time, which means, get all your bolts together that Husky gave you, make sure you have everything there. Your dealer should have given you a box or bag of things, and then order proper levers someplace like ASV. Don't order the ones from eBay. They're $24, and they will come with pretty much everything you're going to need to install this. So that's kind of my advice if I were to give anything out. Yep, so hope this is helpful to someone. I know 3 of you asked me for this video, and here it is. Thanks for watching.